Can't talk because we're eating our pork pies before we go cactus hunting. Okay guys, so we are heading to get some cactuses in East London. I actually need to look the address up, I'm not even sure where it is exactly. Actually, can I have the rest of my pork pie? We're just having a little snack before we head out because we don't want to eat lunch out today because we've eaten out a bit too much lately, so we're having naughty snacks. Anyway. I just filmed this makeup look, actually, glow like a star look on my channel, which hopefully you guys have already seen because I've uploaded it and edited it if it looks good and the lighting was good. So you guys will see this look. If you like it, then check out that video. We're heading to East London to buy some cactuses and some plants just for a day out, and then we might go to the cinema as well, and then we're going to vlog as we go. So anything to add, Ash, while I eat my pork pie?
Nothing at this point. I'm sure I have some words of wisdom later.
You're such good vlogging value.
I know.
So this is where we're going, guys. The warehouse in Hackney or Bethnal Green. I'm looking for some cactuses like that for my dressing room. So let's hope we have some luck. We don't want to eat out today, so let's hope we don't end up eating out because we've got food at home. We've got some really nice lamb bones cooking in our slow cooker to make a really nice lamb, pearl barley and lentil soup with some spices, which just smells delicious at the moment in the house, and it tastes really good because I tried it. So we've got that, and we've got some chicken mince, so we're probably going to make some burgers or something. So we've got food and we really need to eat what we've got and not eat out. So yeah. So guys, that's the one I've got at home, remember, and I've killed it. It's not great. Well, oh, I love herbs. I also like this. Oh, so good. Oh my god, this is like cactus heaven, isn't it? I think we'll find something here, don't you? Hey guys, so we just bought one cactus in the flower shop. That was so cool. Like, how cool was that place? Ash and I was just saying, like, that was the most Instagrammable place ever. Like, the cactuses were just, it was just too cool for school, that place. Loved it. So now we are heading to B&Q, because we actually just thought B&Q sometimes has some really good plants at a really good price. And you know, and we've bought the one in the house from there, the one we've got in the house, the aloe vera plant my mum gave to us, and I love that plant. And then we bought the large one from IKEA. So I mean, let's see what B&Q's got. Maybe we can pick up another cactus in there or something quite cool in there. So yeah, we're heading there now, and also we're gonna go for, we're not gonna get food out, promise, but we are gonna go to get a coffee and a chai and some cake. Now, we've been a bit naughty with food today, but it's the weekend. We just let ourselves go at the weekend, and then we'll hit it hard again. Although I have been gym yesterday morning, I did legs with JD, and this morning I did cardio and Ash did legs. So we've done, you know, a couple of gym sessions as well. So just about get away with it, a bit of naughty food. Oh, so hard, isn't it, being disciplined? So guys, we've been to B&Q, and now we are just heading to Costa to get a coffee and cake. See Ash. And then there's TK Maxx here, so we might go there, but Ash hates going there, so we might not go there. Let's see. There's Ash, can you spot him? Hey guys, so we're home now and we are pretty tired, so I'm just gonna say my goodbyes now, just show you guys what I bought. So we bought two things. So we bought some herbs to cook with, and I'm gonna put that in my beautiful large pot that I bought yesterday. I know the pot is too big and this is not the right plant, but for now it's gonna have to do. So we're gonna have it like that for now, which smells really good as well. So I do eventually want to get a cactus for this pot, but just for now we'll roll with this so the pot doesn't sit empty, and I'll put that in my fireplace. And the other plant we bought was this little prickly number. Take the paper off so you can see it. And that is going to go in the smaller version of the other pot, like so. There you go. So I've got these two for now, and I can pop them in my fireplace. It's quite heavy. So that's it for now. So now I've got a couple of parcels I sold a couple of things on eBay, so I'm gonna pack them. Then I'm gonna make a chili con carne made from chicken mince, which is just delicious, with peppers, red onions, Cajun spice, tomato puree, kidney beans, chili beans. It's delicious and really healthy, and I just don't have it with the rice if I want to keep it keto, and then just put a bit of cheese on top. It's just delicious. So yeah, I'm gonna make that now, and then probably just chill, watch a bit of TV, and then hit the sack, just because Sunday night and, you know, the anticipation of work on a Monday, I just like to get a few hours just to myself. So I will speak to you guys the next one. Take care. Mwah.